In this video, we show you how to train your custom classification model and guide you through the steps. We start in the workflow overview on our platform and select Train Your Own Model Now. Here you can find all our custom AI features. For our classification model, we select Create Custom Classification. We start with describing our workflow by giving it a name and short description. You can also upload an image. This will help you to distinguish this workflow from the others. In the next step, we define all classes for our workflow. In our case, we want to sort invoices and receipts. We also add the class Others for any other document types that might appear. Now we have to give the AI some information about our documents so it knows which tasks need to be done. Are the documents always perfectly cropped, or should they be cropped in the workflow? Is the content on the documents in the Latin or Japanese alphabet? Is the text printed or handwritten, or can it be both? What pages are needed to categorize the documents? The basis of the AI model is now in place. Now we have to train it on our documents. For this, we select Upload Training Data. Here we can upload all of our training documents. You can choose between uploading in classes or uploading unsorted documents. For the first option, we select the appropriate class and upload all of our documents. It's very important to select documents that are very similar to the documents that the model will process later. Please upload a minimum of 50 documents per class. This will help the AI get a full understanding of your documents and provide high accuracy processing. If you upload the documents already sorted into classes, you don't need to annotate them. The AI will already know which class the document belongs to. If you upload your documents unsorted, you have to annotate them. To do so, simply select the appropriate class on the left and save your changes. Repeat this step for each of your uploaded documents. Once we are done with annotating the documents, we can start the training. This means the AI now learns how to process your documents. Training is completed within the next 24 hours. However, your Workflow API is already ready and can be integrated. You can find all information such as code snippets and JSON response examples in the Workflow documentation. Once the training is completed, you can test your workflow in the live interface. Therefore, we just upload a document via drag and drop. And here we can see that it recognized our receipt with a probability of 100%. Great! Now it's your turn. Get started with training your own AI model and get in touch with our AI experts if you need assistance.